My background is in education. I went to Stetson University and my bachelor's degree in elementary education. I think what really sets Bricks for Kids apart from other similar programs is that we really do have a lot of diverse offerings. Our after-school programs and our in-school workshops, they definitely really hit on the educational aspect of what we have to offer. Our tagline is "We learn, we build, we play" with Lego bricks. So no matter what, they're going to be learning something, they're going to be building something, and of course they're going to have fun playing with it. Bricks for Kids has a great impact on the kids themselves, of course. By the time they get here and start building, it's all about the fun. And a lot of times they don't even realize they're learning, because after the lesson and then during the build, there's always just an informal discussion between the instructor and the kids. So they're learning what they just talked about in the lesson, what was just presented to them, and then they're learning as they're building in a very hands-on fashion. After they learn to build new projects, there is such a sense of accomplishment that they get from it at the end. They develop more of an interest and more passion for architecture and engineering and just how things are put together and the way that things work. And I think it definitely helps them develop their own understanding of how much they can do and accomplish, and also where their own interests lie. Teamwork and cooperation and collaboration are big factors, especially in camps. Sometimes they'll be around the same age level, sometimes it'll be mixed age groups. It is a good way to kind of get kids in those social groups that they otherwise might not have that opportunity during the regular school day. Bricks for Kids is going to give your child the opportunity to really learn new information that they don't get in the regular classroom setting. We have all sorts of activities, model builds, and lessons that focus on each aspect of science, technology, engineering, and math. In addition, they're developing friendships through the social interaction that comes with the programs, through the camps, the after-school classes, and all the other different diverse programs we have to offer. The feedback from parents is very positive, and that's why they keep sending their kids back year after year.